Finding a single appliance that can crush ice, chop fresh vegetables, and mix dough usually requires buying multiple bulky machines. Investing in the best food processor blender combo saves valuable counter space while delivering serious power for daily meal prep. Here is a breakdown of the top options available today to help you upgrade your kitchen setup. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started.
Number 1. Ninja BL770 Food Processor Blender. Built with a massive 1500-watt, 2-horsepower motor base, the Ninja BL770 handles heavy kitchen tasks without hesitation. Its standout component is the expansive XL 72-ounce pitcher, which easily crushes ice into fine snow within seconds and processes large batches of frozen fruit for smoothies or party drinks. Alongside the main pitcher, the system includes an 8-cup food processing bowl that offers consistent vegetable chopping, quick pureeing, and effortless mixing. Bakers will appreciate the dedicated dough blade, which can knead up to 2 pounds of dough in just 30 seconds. For personal use, the package comes with two 16-ounce Ninja cups featuring convenient to-go lids, allowing you to blend individual protein shakes directly before heading out the door. The control panel simplifies operation with 4 tailored functions: blend, mix, crush, and single serve. Each attachment relies on custom-engineered blade assemblies, including total crushing blades for the main jug, pro extractor blades for the single-serve cups, and specialized chopping or dough blades for the processor. The durable plastic construction makes it lighter to maneuver, though the raw power of the motor creates a noticeable amount of noise during operation. It is an exceptional value for high-volume households, meal preppers, and frequent bakers who need commercial-grade motor performance paired with versatile everyday functionality.
Number 2. HoninJoy Chopping Food Processor Blender. The HoninJoy FP12 delivers impressive versatility through its 1300-watt maximum power motor, making it a well-rounded kitchen companion for beginners and experienced cooks alike. This comprehensive set centers around a sturdy 1.5-liter glass blender pitcher that resists scratching and odors while handling hot soups and cold smoothies for the entire family. Complementing the main jug is a generous 2-liter food processor bowl equipped with a built-in slicer and shredder disc, making quick work of cabbage, cheese, and root vegetables without needing additional single-purpose kitchen gadgets. For smaller tasks, the included 80-gram grinder jar effortlessly processes coffee beans, whole spices, and tough nuts into fine powders. On-the-go users will get plenty of use out of the 24-ounce sport bottle, which lets you mix personal drinks and carry them anywhere. Operation is straightforward, thanks to one-touch smart presets labeled for chopping, pureeing, making dough, and using the slicing disc. The clean, compact footprint ensures it fits comfortably under standard kitchen cabinets without hogging precious counter space, while the motor base simply wipes clean with a damp cloth after use. While the glass pitcher adds some weight when carrying and washing, the scratch resistance and clarity it provides easily outweigh the extra bulk, offering fantastic utility across a wide variety of prep jobs. Number 3. Cuisinart BFP703 BCP1 Food Processor Blender. Designed with a sleek die-cast metal housing, the Cuisinart BFP703
seamlessly switch between the 48-ounce glass
classic durability and stable performance to any countertop. At its core, the unit uses a 7-speed touchpad control board, highlighted by clear LED indicators, giving you precise command over
and
functions
powerful
like
kitchen companion,
stir,
boasting
chop,
a robust
mix,
500-watt
puree,
motor and 7-speed
process,
touchpad,
and dedicated ice crushing. The primary blending vessel is a robust 48-ounce glass jar, fitted with ultra-sharp stainless steel blades, capable of thoroughly pureeing soups or
controls.
crushing ice
This
for
appliance
cocktails.
effortlessly
A
crushes
removable
ice and
2-ounce
handles all your
measuring
blending,
cap on the main
pureeing,
lid allows you to drizzle in oil or liquids while blending sauces without splashing. For chopping smaller quantities of ingredients, the unit includes a 3-cup food processor attachment that locks right onto the base.
There's exceptional
with its own
performance
feed
and
tube,
durability.
pusher, slicing
With its
and
sleek
shredding
brushed
disc,
chrome
and
finish.
standard chopping blade.
Because the food processor attachment is relatively small, it excels at quick tasks like mincing garlic, shredding cheese, or chopping nuts, though it will require working in smaller
Housing
batches
and equipped
for
with an
larger
ultra-sharp
family meals.
stainless steel blade
Cleanup is
assembly.
straightforward
This
because
appliance
all the
delivers
removable components, including the glass jar and processor attachments, are safe to run through the dishwasher. This option is ideal for cooks who prioritize timeless metal styling, glass containers over
and
plastic,
compact
and
design. The
uncomplicated
Cuisinart
speed selections.
BFP 703 BC.
Number 4. Oster Carbon Food Processor Blender. The Oster Carbon system stands out for its high level of customization, powered by a robust 1200-watt motor that easily drives through tough, fibrous ingredients. A key highlight is the Texture Select technology, which allows you to dial in your preferred consistency, choosing between thin, medium, or thick results for smoothies, salsas, and soups. The main blending duties are handled by an extra-large 8-cup BPA-free plastic jar, while an extra-large 3-inch 6-point stainless steel blade uses dual-direction blade technology to reverse motion, preventing stubborn food jams and pulling ingredients down into the vortex. Meal prep becomes much faster with the 5-cup food processor bowl attachment, which features a slicing disc designed for quick chopping, grinding, and slicing. Additionally, 2 24-ounce blend-and-go cups are included, enabling you and a partner to whip up individual drinks and carry them directly out the door. With 9 automated programs alongside 4 manual speed settings, low, medium, high, and pulse, you retain complete operational control over every recipe. While the plastic jars require careful hand washing or top-rack dishwasher placement to avoid long-term scratching, their lightweight construction makes daily handling comfortable for all users, offering a balance of smart automated settings and reliable raw power.
Number 5. NutriBullet Ultra Plus Plus Food Processor Blender. Featuring a streamlined profile, the NutriBullet Ultra Plus Plus combines modern aesthetics with multifunctional utility, powered by a compact 1200-watt Ultra motor base. An intuitive illuminated glow interface lights up the moment an attachment connects, offering 2 straightforward choices: a full circle for an automated hands-free cycle or a pulse circle for manual control. For personal drinks, it includes 2 Triton Renew blending cups, a 32-ounce and a 24-ounce double wall cup to keep drinks colder longer, paired with a durable rapid extractor blade. Food prep is managed by a 2-cup food processor attachment fitted with a chopping blade and a slicing shredding disc, perfect for quickly mincing herbs, onions, or hard cheeses. Coffee enthusiasts and spice lovers will appreciate the dedicated coffee and spice grinder attachment, which quickly grinds fresh beans, dried peppers, or peppercorns for maximum flavor potency. To-go lids easily convert the Triton cups into portable travel mugs. Given the compact 2-cup size of the food processor, it is best suited for small prep tasks, single servings, or small households rather than batch cooking massive meals. Overall, its space-saving silhouette, quiet execution, and sleek design make it a great choice for minimalist kitchens where counter space is at a premium.